Hello and welcome to Dies.biz. This tutorial will focus on manufacturing processes, especially related to tool room. These are the topics. Question: what are the traditional manufacturing processes? Answer: lathe. Maximum achievable precision equals plus minus sign 0.1 millimeters. Milling. Maximum achievable precision equals plus minus sign 0.1 millimeters. Drilling. Maximum achievable precision equals plus minus sign 0.1 millimeters. Shaping. Maximum achievable precision equals plus minus sign 0.1 millimeters. Question: what is difference between lathe and milling? Answer: in a lathe, workpiece revolves and tool advances in a parallel, normal or angular direction with the axis of workpiece rotation. In milling, cutting tool revolves and workpiece moves in various directions. To summarize, in a lathe the workpiece revolves, and in milling, the cutter revolves. Question: list the possible operations on a lathe. These are the possible operations on a lathe: turning, facing, chamfering, parting off, drilling, knurling, and thread cutting. Question: what is the difference in between drilling and milling operation? In drilling, cutting tool or drill plunges inside the workpiece to form a hole. Also, a drill bit has a conical tip. This tip guides the cutting tool for initial plunging into the workpiece. Whereas in milling, cutter travels along various longitudinal paths to form desired profile, slut or step in a previously drilled hole. Question: why sometimes slitting cutters are utilized in milling? Imagine a situation where a small slut has to be made in a metal plate, say 2 mm wide and 20 mm deep, but utilizing extra long end mill cutter for such a small diameter and deep profile is a bad idea, because the cutter will break due to its unusual diameter to length ratio. In such situations, slitting cutters are extremely useful. See the picture below. Question: explain the concept of step drilling. Imagine two concentric holes having two different diameters. Its concentricity and depth is very precise, which cannot be achieved with two different drill bits. The main cause of this difficulty is human error and drilling pressure. But with the utilization of step drill, it is achievable. Question: what is grinding and when does it require? Answer: grinding is a finishing process where a brace of wheel revolves against workpiece to give it a super finish and dimensional accuracy as precise as 10 microns, or 0.01 millimeters. Cylindrical grinding. Surface grinding. Thread grinding is also possible. Question: what is centerless grinding? Answer: centerless grinding is same as cylindrical grinding, where circular grinding wheel finishes the workpiece. Unlike the cylindrical grinding, workpiece moves in the longitudinal direction. and two grinding wheels revolving against each other do the grinding operation. This is the very much required situation for mass production, as there is no need of clamping the workpiece. Question. List the possible operations before and post-hardening. Grinding is possible on steel components hardened up to 58 to 60 HRC. Whereas machining in a lathe, milling, drilling and shaping operations, components having hardness up to 40 HRC is possible. This is mainly because grinding wheels are harder than HSS or carbide tools utilized on a lathe, milling, drilling or shaping machines. Thanks for watching. Log on to dies.biz for more engineering tutorials.